Hello everyone, this is Carter Wetzel with Secure Secrets. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on calculating your annual Delegator ROI. Without further ado, let's jump right into this relatively complicated equation.
Annual Delegator ROI is the inflation rate divided by the staking ratio. The staking ratio is the total secret staked divided by the total secret supply. Now, if that's all we had, that would be our block reward, the inflation rate divided by the staking ratio. But unfortunately, we must include three different taxes. There's the foundation tax, the commission rate from staking to a validator, such as Secure Secrets, and a community spend pool. Inflation rate is 15%, although it's variable based off of the staking ratio. The total secret staked is 34 million. The total secret supply is approximately 74 million. The foundation tax is 15%. The community spend pool tax is 2%. And our Secure Secrets commission rate is 7.5%. Interesting to note, inflation in the secret network is capped at 15% and the floor is 7%. It is variable based off of the staking ratio. So that's something to keep track of. For this tutorial, we use 15% for inflation, but note that it can be different. So the staking ratio, let's go ahead and do that calculation quick. It's 34 million divided by 74 million, which is 45.9%. So if we go ahead and plug our numbers into the annual ROI equation, we have our inflation rate of 15% divided by our staking ratio of 45.9%. Now that number right there is our block reward. But we now need to go ahead and calculate out how rewards are subtracted from the annual ROI. So we go ahead and subtract 15%, the 7.5%, and the 2% tax, all of them separately, and we go ahead and multiply that by the annual ROI to find out what our return on investment is. That number is going to go ahead and calculate out to be, let me just crunch that number real quick. I believe it is 25, let me see here. Yeah, 25.12%. 25.12% annual return on investment in secret, assuming you stake to Secure Secrets. Secure Secrets has a 7.5 commission rate. You'll find other validators that have a lower commission rate and some with higher commission rates. My suggestion would be to stake to multiple different validators and to attempt to decentralize the network. So let's run an example with this annual ROI. With a 25.12% return on investment, if you have 6,500 secret, we can go ahead and go 6,500 secret plus 6,500 secret multiplied by your annual rate of return to find out how much secret you would have at the end of a year if you weren't doing compound rewards. A lot of people ask about compounding rewards. My advice would be to do reinvest your rewards once a month. If you do it any sooner than that, the cost of the transaction to reinvest your rewards ends up kind of outweighing the effects of daily compounding interest. So our total secret after 1 year staked is 8,132.8 secret, which is amazing. This is why you want to get staking right now. Annual ROI, if you go with Secure Secrets, is 25.12%, which is a great rate of return. And this is the annual Delegator ROI equation. I'll be sure to link that below. You're now capable, after this tutorial, of at any given moment finding out approximately how much return you should have on a year. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this Secure Secrets tutorial.